Ms. Black, if you would please state your name for the record, please.
My name is Lindsey Black.
Okay. And you testified before committee before on this matter?
No, sir, I have not.
Okay. And are you seeing a pain specialist or general practitioner?
I'm seeing a pain specialist.
All right, go ahead, ma'am. You have 2 minutes.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you all so much for taking the time to have this meeting. This is the first one I've been able to get to. I took off work to be here. I've been really wanting to be heard with everything because starting about a year ago, when all the talk of this regulation started going on, my doctor started to taper me back off of my pain medication. Now, I had spinal fusion done in 2012. I'm 29 years old. I was diagnosed when I was 14 that I would need surgery regardless of what I did to prevent it. So I had the surgery whenever I had to have it, and for 3 years after that, I tried very much so not to need any pain medication. The fusion didn't fix it all the way. I tried physical therapy. I had radio frequency, burning your nerves off to try and kill them so they can't do anything anymore. We've tried doing that. We've done injections, medications, yoga, physical therapy, you name it, I've done it. And it just doesn't work as well as, unfortunately, the opiate medication does. So whenever a year ago my doctor told me we're going to have to start tapering you back, I was very confused because I just got to where I could hold down a job. I just got to where I could take care of my daughter. That was really the whole point of me going to pain management. Was after 3 years after this surgery, I still couldn't get out of bed to take care of my child. And that's what he asked me, what am I trying to get out of this? And I'm trying to have a life. That's what I'm trying to do. But with all these cuts that are happening, my doctor's main issue with prescribing me more than what I'm at right now. I'm at 97 milligrams of morphine equivalent. And that's a little less than half of what I was at before. And it's been really, really rough to be able to have a quality of life. But his main concern with this is that the way that this is worded, that it's too broad to protect him, and he doesn't feel comfortable prescribing with the way it is.
All right, Ms. Winters, we're at the 2 minutes, but I have a question for you before you step away.
Yes.
Have you spoke to your physician, and does your physician understand that with the proper documentation that was referred to earlier, that he could, with justification, be able to hold your pain med? And am I saying that right? Is that a proper statement?
Yes.
Did you talk to your physician about that? What was your physician's response?
I've talked to him about this, and he is still saying that with his lawyers advising that the way that you guys have the regulation worded, that he can't abide by it. And that he's worried about his license being taken away, and so he's tapering everyone back to this 50 milligram equivalent recommendation.
Do you know if he spoke to the medical board?
I cannot honestly answer that. I would assume so.
Okay. What I'd like to ask is, I'm not going to call your physician's name publicly, but before you get out of the room today, I wish you'd talk to these two right here, and there could be a conversation between your physician and the medical board directly. And I'd like you to do that if you don't mind before you leave. And you mind taking one more question? Senator Irvin?
Just quickly on, you said that you had tried other therapies and was that physical therapy?
Mm-hmm.
Was that covered by insurance?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, that was covered by insurance.
And your doctor prescribed that for you? The therapy?
Yes. So yes, and he gave me one of those, or prescribed me one of those TINS units to try and use at home. I mean, that provides some relief, but I think that's really, really what I've done for me. I just started going back, trying to get a nerve worked out, but other than that, I mean, that has nothing to do with my lower back that we've already established. I can't do anything else to fix it.
And I don't, if you don't want to answer, I completely understand, but did your doctor say anything as far as just the amount of opioids and your labs or any type of, I mean, because sometimes you want to cut people back just because of other health factors or other health risks, that it's just.
Are you asking if he had come to me about the dose that I was at, period?
Yeah, if there were any other factors that they said, other than the way this rule was written, was there any other health risks for you at, because there are health risks for people at high levels of opioids. They experience other health factors that could be detrimental. So I was just curious if there was any other type of other health risks that might be reasons why they would try to taper you back. Did the doctor indicate anything that was other health risks to you, that maybe other reasons why they were tapering you back to a lower dosage?
The only reason he was tapering me back was because this regulation, and he didn't want it to be so rough on me. That's the only reason he started tapering me back. I was at 50 micrograms of fentanyl patches and some breakthrough medication of oxycodone a day, and I was actually able to really have a great quality of life, and that's where we started tapering me back from. So where I'm at right now, I'm at a little less than half of where I was at, and it's a struggle. Every day is a struggle at this point. I remember now why I was at that depth. Thank you.
Thanks for answering the question.
Anybody else have any questions?
No, ma'am, thanks for being here. All right, the last one to speak today is James Winters.